What's your name? I told you my name. I don't mind you doing that, but they're making the bank people nervous. So if you want to stand down where there's no businesses.
Absolutely not. You're not going to violate my First Amendment rights. Hey guys, we're out here in Leslie, Michigan on a First Amendment audit. We're testing our First Amendment right to free speech, our First Amendment right to religion here out in front of the Independent Bank. With this First Amendment audit, make sure you like and subscribe, ring the bell to enable all notifications. Let's do it. Allah bless the homeless vets. Allah bless the homeless vets. Allah bless our troops. Allah bless the U.S. military. Allah bless the homeless vets. Allah bless the homeless vets. Right here in Leslie, Michigan, we got the homeless vets. Right here in Leslie, Michigan, homeless vets on the streets. Allah bless the homeless vets. Allah bless the homeless vets. Allah bless the homeless vets right here in Leslie, Michigan. Allah bless our U.S. military. Allah bless our vets. Inshallah. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. Allah bless the homeless vets. 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 Allah bless the homeless vets.
You just had to come downtown Leslie.
Allah bless the homeless vets. Just want to say Allah bless the homeless vets.
All right, sure.
You're just wasting the taxpayers' money of Leslie, Michigan. This is your money, Leslie, Michigan, just standing around doing nothing.
Yeah.
You know what that means, don't you? It means defund. Isn't that right?
Yeah. You just had to come downtown Leslie.
Allah bless the homeless vets. Just want to say Allah bless the homeless vets.
All right, sure.
Allah bless the homeless vets.
What's that? I can't hear you, I'm sorry. What'd you say?
Just saying Allah bless the homeless vets.
Hey, can you stand on the corner and do that?
Can I get your name?
Yeah, my name's Officer Service, Chris. Right here.
Do you have a badge number?
Yeah, 5.
Who are you with?
Leslie Police Department. I don't mind you doing that, but they're making the bank people nervous. So if you want to stand down where there's no businesses.
Absolutely not. You're not going to violate my First Amendment rights to free speech on a public sidewalk.
Fine. But
I'm not going anywhere. You're not violating my First Amendment rights.
About it. So if you could step, I don't care if you step out here by the street, but I'll let the bank people know that you're okay with me. You're not violating any laws, but you're just making them a little bit nervous. Probably because you're dressing all black, they're a little bit nervous.
I just say educate them that it's my First Amendment rights to be out here. I
can do that. If you would, I'm kind of meeting you halfway. You can meet me halfway and just maybe it's a couple steps away from the bank. I'll let them know that you're not trying to bother.
Absolutely not. I won't impede anyone from going in and out.
Sounds good. Okay, thank you. What's your name?
I'd like to see you go in and educate them and let them.
I can do that. What's your name? I told you my name.
I'm just out here with Allah bless the homeless vets.
All right, well.
Service, is that your real name or is that a made up name?
That's my name, Chris.
Okay. Service?
Okay, thanks. That's 5.
Allah bless the homeless vets. Allah bless the homeless vets. Allah bless the homeless vets. Oh, that didn't take long. Independent Bank here in Leslie, Michigan called the police on us.
Hey, thanks. They're all set then. Thank you so much.
Sir, I appreciate you respecting my First Amendment rights. I'll probably be out here not too much longer, and then I'll be on my way.
Yeah, sounds good. Okay, take care now.
Yep, have a
Again,
good-
and I appreciate you letting people come and go and doing all that good stuff. Have a
Yeah,
good day.
no problem. Have a
Nice
good
to
day.
be out here, though, isn't it? Nice day, hey?
Oh yeah, beautiful day to be out here exercising our rights.
All right, thank you, man.
Yep, have a great day.
You too, bye now.
Allah bless the homeless vets. Allah bless the homeless vets. Allah bless the homeless vets. And there they go, guys. That's how you stand your ground on your First Amendment rights. Make sure you like and subscribe, ring the bell to enable all notifications. As always, thank you for watching Freedom News Now. We'll see you on the next one. Freedom News Now, we're out. Allah bless the homeless vets. Allah bless the homeless vets. Inshallah. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. Allah bless the homeless vets. The Thin Blue Line Flag of Tyranny shirt is finally here. This high-quality limited edition comfort soft tee comes in several styles and sizes. Easily shop online for official merch at the Freedom News Now store. Click the link in the description. Order yours now. Allah bless the U.S. military. Allah bless our troops. Allah bless the homeless vets. Allah bless the homeless vets.
You're a vet?
Allah bless the homeless vets.
No, you're saying Allah bless.
Allah bless the homeless vets.
All right. Police or against police?
Well, I'm for good cops. I'm anti-bad cops.